Yes, you can start. Yeah.
Alright, so we are taking us through the revision. The very first thing that we did yesterday in the morning was we had introduced this data to you. So we had got 10 students, okay, and 3 marks. So what we had calculated were the summary of these marks. So first we had calculated the total marks, then the average, then we had calculated the number of students who are scoring greater than 70, number of students who are scoring less than 40 also. So we had got total marks. Do anyone remember what was the shortcut that we used?
Alt equal to.
Right. So if you wanted to find out the total marks and you do not have the total marks over here, either you use the sum function or to have an easy access to it, we had used alt equal to. So you selected all the data together along with the place where you want to do the totals. So you had selected both of them together and then you press alt equal to. Alt equal to we also saw was not something that I have by hearted. I went to home and I have something called as auto sum here. The shortcut for auto sum is alt equal to. So we understood where to find out the shortcuts in case we do not remember it, isn't it? So we pressed alt equal to so that we get the sum function. After that we had, if you remember, we had done average. Average function was used and we had selected all the 3 subjects marks. So we wanted to find out the average of physics, chemistry and biology. So we wrote the function average and we selected from physics onwards up to biology, isn't it? Now when we created the average function or when we used the average function, what we got was percentages, isn't it? Did I give you a reason why we got it in percentages?
Because that was the format of the cell.
Right, we had formatted or pre-formatted the cell as percentages. So in case you have any cell inside Excel which is formatted as a percentage and I had given any number there, it would automatically be taken as a percentage. So what we did to convert it from a percentage into any other format was to right click, go to format cells and select a format, isn't it? Now in this format we've got general, number, currency, etc., which becomes a little difficult for us to go and do it every time from the format cells dialog box. So we have seen a lot of shortcuts there. The shortcuts were hard coded on your keyboard. The various shortcuts were